Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to change the appearance on your account on Uber easy and quickly. So first of all, click on this application, then go to your accounts, and next click on the settings, and here you will find the appearance. As you see here, you can change it to light mode, dark mode, whatever you want. So just click on it and click save, and it will be changed. So that's how to change the appearance on your account on Uber easy and quickly, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.